Okay, sit down, sissy. Let's put our shoes on.
I'm on my bike ready, okay?
Okay, go get your bike ready. Oh, why are you laying down? Hold on. Okay, stomp, 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 stomp. Hey, you ready to go outside? Yeah? You want to go for a walk? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, pretty girl. Here. I got your pretty glasses. Look at mama. Look at mama. Pretty. Welcome to another Friday / weekend vlog. We're just gonna keep vlogging and practicing and getting better and just making videos. That's okay. They're probably just sweeping. We can still go in there.
I'm gonna ride my bike.
Okay, you can ride your bike.
So riding it goes straight, it's not like riding a bike. So I'm gonna take one ride. I'll tell you when
Huh?
I'm gonna come over when I want to.
I forgot sunscreen. Oh no! Hey, what can you do now, James?
I'm gonna ride around.
Hey, what can you do now?
I'm gonna ride around and look at my friends.
No, you can ride your bike now without training wheels?
Yep.
Yeah?
I'm gonna ride on that sidewalk and see if the balance don't fall off.
Okay, go for it.
I'm gonna try to jump up and down that.
Alright. This is so funny. The way this has been sitting in my car. It's like a weird cone. Oops. Sorry, sissy. You don't get shade. Maybe a little bit.
Oh.
Run! What? What? What you want? Oh! Come on, we're gonna do our good deed today. Throw trash away. Alright, let's go get back in your stroller. No, Daddy shouldn't be home yet. Today's his last day of work though. He starts his new job on Monday. Oh yeah, like you are?
Yeah.
He's off of work like you are? Where do you work? On the computer? You're funny. For your schoolwork, you mean? Yeah.
Papa!
Say Zeus, Zoe. There's Zoe. Where's Zeus? Don't eat it, honey. Come on. Zeus. Zoe. She's too scared to get too close. Oh, Daddy, go with you. Now yell for Zeus.
Zeus!
Where's Zeus?
Zeus! Hey.
Give it to Zeus. Come on. Let's go give it to Zeus. Ooh. Good job. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing another weekend vlog. The clip that y'all just saw from yesterday, that was all I got. So I figured I would just film more. I'm out of breath, y'all. I don't understand the shortness of breath all the freaking time. But I figured I would do a weekend vlog and film our weekend again. We're gonna go ride bikes. I got Haley's helmet. She's gonna ride on the back with me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get our day started. Are you good? You want to take them off? Take them off? Yeah. Put them in here. Tease. Oh, you want them?
Dada. Dada.
Yeah, we're gonna make cookies for Dada. Okay, sit right there.
Dada.
Okay, we're gonna make cookies first. Okay, need some butter and an egg. Yep, stay right there. Okay, help me pour it in. Okay, pour it in the bowl. Oh, wow. Wow! Chocolate chip minis. Woo! Okay. Want it right here. Woo! Okay. Now we just need to put the egg in there. Yay! Hey! Yeah! Okay, now Mama's gonna mix. Hang on. Let me mix it up. You want you a fork? Mix it. Ooh! Nope, nope, no! Just mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Help Mama mix it up. Haley, no more. No more. Your tummy's gonna hurt. Okay, let's put that out of the way. Can you clap your hands? Yay! Okay, okay, you ready to make brownies now? Yeah, you need Wowie? Oh yeah, here, drink some Wowie. Oh, pour it in there, hang on. Hold on, silly girl. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, there goes that. Oh. Yeah. Let me put the egg in there. Ah! Good job. But now you're sitting all in it, Sissy. Oh my goodness. Mix, mix, mix. Hang on, I gotta get the cookies out. I gotta get the cookies. Yummy! Okay, we gotta pause on the brownies real quick. Alright, okay, let's go back to brownies. Is that cookie good? Oh, we're making a mess. Uh-oh. We gotta go take a bath. You ready to go take a bath?
Bye.
That's our cookie.
Bye.
Back up. Beep, 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 beep. Look how pretty. Look, all clean. All clean. You got flamingos on your shirt? Good look. You got flamingos on your shirt?
Baba. 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 Papa. Mama. 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 Mama.
Where's Mama? Oh, wrong side. She don't know what side. She puts both hands up. Haley, you having fun? Yeah? Yeah, raise the roof. Whoop, whoop. Raise the roof.
Dada.
Hey, welcome to have some.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and end the vlog here. My camera battery is blinking at me, but thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.